Yeah, can I have your resume, please?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. So you're Ramakrishna, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give a little bit of introduction?
First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity, sir. My name is Ramakrishna Amarti. Basically, I am from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am staying in Hyderabad. I completed BTech in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in Srinivasa Institute of Engineering and Technology. I completed my intermediate in Deepthi Junior College in Mamaduguru. And I have technical skills in Core Java and MySQL and web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve higher position in that company. At last, thanks for giving this opportunity.
Okay, good. So, can you tell about your academic project?
I did a project on greenhouse monitoring system through Arduino Mega board, in which there are three modules. One is sensor module, and another one is Arduino Mega board module, and another one is the data to be acquired from the second module called Arduino Mega board. First, we are using sensors because it is IoT based project in which the data which is acquired by the sensor, which is transferred to Arduino Mega board, and then from Arduino Mega board which is transferred to a web page. In these three modules are used. Why we are using this project means when we are dealing when we want to grow crops with irrespective of the seasons, we are using this project because in some seasons it may not be possible to grow some crops. To overcome that, we are using this project. The sensors which are used to get the information of the environmental factors, and according to the growth of the plant, it will set by the Arduino Mega board, because we are setting some threshold values for each and every environmental factors. In such a way, this project is helpful for the small size industries. It can also be used for large scale industries also, if we are having better power supply.
Okay, very good. Okay. So we are looking for Java full stack developers for our project.
Okay.
So, so as a Java full stack developer, what are the skills you have?
As a Java full stack developer, I have front-end technologies like React.js, Angular, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I know the back-end languages like Java, which means back-end Java, advanced Java, and core Java, and some testing skills like Selenium and manual testing, and I am also learning the Appium, which is for mobile testing, and also I have learned some MySQL software system like MySQL and Oracle.
Okay. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. What is the difference between SQL and MySQL?
SQL is a language which is used to get the SQL is a language which is used to interact with the database management system, whereas MySQL is a software which is used to manipulate the data which is present inside the database.
Okay, good. So is MySQL RDBMS?
Yes, sir. MySQL is RDBMS, because every data is stored in the form of tables. That's why RDBMS, it is called as RDBMS, which
Okay.
means that relational database management system.
Okay. Can you put relations to the tables?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell how?
By using joins, inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, equijoin, self join. In this way, we can relate to our more tables.
Okay, good. So can you tell what is the difference between primary key and foreign key?
Primary key is the a unique column which is present in the table, that from by which we can easily identify each and every row unique by using that unique identification key. Whereas foreign key, which is used to reference the reference from another table, which means it can it can be accessed from primary key of the another table.
Okay, good. So in Java, why we use packages?
Packages which are nothing but folders which are used to store the related classes and interfaces together, by which we can provide modularity and the maintainability of the code. Which means if you are having the same name for the two classes, to overcome that, we are storing it in the packages. For example, let us take dates package, dates class, which is present in SQL package also, and it is also present time package also to
Which is
differentiate
present in which package?
date and SQL.
Okay. Date is a class, no?
Yes, sir.
So it is available in which package?
SQL package.
Okay. And another package?
Another package is utils package. To differentiate both of them, we have to maintain some packages.
Okay. Good. Which is a default package?
Java.lang package is default package which we need not to input before we going to develop any Java project.
Good. So can you tell the difference between string string buffer?
String is immutable in nature, string buffer is mutable in nature, which means whenever we create an object of string, when we try to modify it, a new object is created. Whenever we take a string buffer or string builder object, whenever we try to modify that object, it will be impact on the created object.
Very good. Okay. So what is the use of static keyword?
Static keyword is mainly used for memory management. Whenever a static keyword can be used for classes, methods and variables. Whenever we use for the static variable, which can be loaded at the time of class loading, which means whenever we compile the code, then the memory for the static variable will be allocated. And similarly, static methods can also be same. But when come to the overloading and overriding concept, static methods cannot be overridden because these cannot be belonging to the objects. These are common for all the objects. That's why it is not possible to override the static methods. Whereas static classes, which are the classes which can have static keyword as the non-access modifier, which can be used only within the inner classes. We cannot take the topmost classes as the static classes.
Okay, very good. Alright, so Ramakrishna, so you are doing very well. Okay, so just a feedback I want to give is, so you are turning little bit fast, can be a little bit slow.
Okay, sir.
So apart from that technical skills you are having good, so everything you are doing good. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.